A new push to stop teens from vaping here in Denver will continue to evolve in a Denver City Council committee. This morning, after a public hearing, that committee voted to continue discussion of a proposal that would ban the sale of flavored tobacco products to later this month. This afternoon, we're going in depth on the debate. The council member behind the proposal says flavored products with fun-sounding names target children, but owners of vape shops say the ban could put them out of business. Denver 7's MICAH Smith has that part of the story.
We talked to several vape shop owners who say more than 90% of the products they sell are flavored vape products and accessories. If these items are banned, shop owners say their businesses could collapse. Denver City Councilwoman Amanda Sawyer drafted the proposal that would ban these products after learning someone was trying to sell her 6th grade daughter flavored vaping products. According to National Jewish Health, 85% of youth who say they're vaping say they use vape products with flavor. But the organization says there are also studies that show these same products help adults quit smoking. Signot owner Monica Vondruska says that's exactly why she got into the business of selling these products. But Councilwoman Sawyer says it's coming at a high price that kids are paying.
We have this boat that's the vapor industry, but a lot of the politicians are passing legislation that pours more water into the boat, and then they ask us why we're sinking.
Youth vaping is an epidemic. So the proposal is to ban flavors, all flavors, and the accessories that go with it.
Proposal will be discussed in committee today. If the committee approves it, the proposal will likely go before the full Denver City Council the week of October 18th.
Digging into the data, the use of vaping among teens actually fell in 2020. However, researchers say because most students were attending school online and didn't have ready access to vaping products, it isn't appropriate to compare the data to previous years. According to a study by the FDA and the CDC, more than 2 million teens admitted to vaping in the last 30 days. But even more concerning is the frequency of use. Nearly half of high school students and nearly 20% of middle school students who vape say they do so at least 20 out of 30 days in a month. That's devastating data for anti-vaping activists, but they still see a silver lining in that study.
I take away as an encouragement from this data that shows that when we put things in place that help prevent young people from having access to these products, then we can make progress.
Taking a closer look at the role of flavored vapes, the American Heart Association says for nearly a third of all people who vape, flavors were a major reason they picked up the habit in the first place. Products with flavors are also nearly twice as likely to motivate young adults to vape when compared to those over the age of 35. But digging deeper into more research, the Yale School of Public Health says a ban on flavored vapes could backfire. The school looked at what happened in San Francisco after voters banned the sale of flavored vapes back in 2018. It found that after the ban was put into place, high school students were twice as likely to start using cigarettes when compared to school districts that were not under a ban. One of the study's co-authors says while neither smoking cigarettes nor vaping nicotine are safe per se, the bulk of current evidence indicates substantially greater harms from smoking. She goes on to say, even if it is well-intentioned, a law that increases youth smoking could pose a threat to public health. Now we want to hear your thoughts. Are you in favor of banning flavored vaping products? Send us an email with your comments to 360@thedenverchannel.com.